How to clear wishlist on Playstore. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to clear a wishlist on Playstore, fast and easy. First go to Playstore and then click on new profile right here. Click on it and then click this one, settings, and then click general, and now account and device preferences. And now all you need to do is just you need to find this one, click on it and then click clear, and as you see wishlist has been cleared. And that's how to clear wishlist on Play Store. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.